Let's continue our discussion on Module 1. This session will cover the key differences between AI, ML, DL, and data science. Understanding the distinctions between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science is essential for navigating today's technology landscape. This presentation explores their definitions, scopes, and real-world applications. We will unravel how each field relates to the others, highlighting their unique roles and contributions to innovation and problem-solving. Artificial intelligence. Definition. AI focuses on creating systems that mimic human intelligence, enabling machines to perform tasks like reasoning, learning, and decision-making. Scope. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision, making it a broad and evolving field. Applications. Examples include virtual assistants such as Alexa and Siri, autonomous vehicles navigating complex environments, and recommendation systems powering platforms like Netflix and Amazon. Machine learning. What is ML? A subset of AI. Machine learning enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming, improving their performance over time through experience. It uses large datasets to discover patterns and make predictions, revolutionizing fields like finance and healthcare. Techniques. Supervised learning. Trains with labeled data. Unsupervised learning. Finds patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. Learns with feedback from rewards and penalties. Examples. Fraud detection systems alerting suspicious transactions. Spam filters in email platforms. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing to reduce downtime. Deep learning. Definition. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks to analyze large volumes of complex, unstructured data. Characteristics. Deep learning requires significant computational power and excels at tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and audio analysis by automatically extracting features. Applications. Image classification and object detection. Voice recognition systems such as Google Assistant. Generative AI models like GPT and DALL-E enabling text and image creation. Data science. Multidisciplinary field. Data science involves extracting insights from raw data using techniques from statistics, programming, and domain expertise. Key goal. The primary aim is to analyze, visualize, and interpret data to inform better business and research decisions. Role in AI, ML, and DL. Data science provides the foundational data pipelines, pre-processing, and exploratory analysis needed for effective AI, ML, and DL projects. Examples. Customer segmentation for targeted marketing. Identifying market trends for strategic planning. Creating business intelligence dashboards for performance monitoring. Comparing AI, ML, DL, and data science. Artificial intelligence. Definition: mimics human intelligence. Scope: broad. Data dependency: moderate. Techniques used: logic, rule-based systems, heuristics. Applications: chatbots, robotics. Machine learning. Definition: enables machines to learn from data. Scope: subset of AI. Data dependency: high. Techniques used: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Applications: fraud detection, predictive analytics. Deep learning. Definition: uses neural networks for learning. Scope: subset of machine learning. Data dependency: very high. Techniques used: neural networks. Applications: image recognition, natural language processing. Data science. Definition: extracts insights from data. Scope: independent. Data dependency: core focus. Techniques used: statistics, visualization. Applications: market analysis, reporting. Key takeaways. AI overview. Artificial intelligence is the broad concept of machines performing smart tasks mimicking human intelligence. ML focus. Machine learning concentrates on systems that improve performance by learning from data experience. DL depth. Deep learning specializes in neural networks to handle complex unstructured data like images and speech. Data science role. Data science underpins AI, ML, and DL by managing data collection, cleaning, and insightful analysis. We appreciate your support. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing so we can keep bringing you top-notch content. Let's grow and achieve excellence together.